Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to fix Canon G2010 printer E08 error. Now printer is powering on. Please wait. Now you see on the screen E08 error shown. I am going to show you how to fix this problem. Press power button for power of printer. Hold setting button and press power button. Release setting button and press 5 times stop button. Then release power button. Wait for this green light stable. In this printer is going to service mode. Wait for this green light stable. Now light is stable. Press setting button 5 times. Then press power button for reset printer. Now printer is restarted. Print is come. Okay. After this, press power button for power of printer. Okay. Now press power button for on for printer. Now you see printer is ready. Now press setting button and press black button for check nozzle check print. Now printer is ready to use. Wait. Nozzle check print is done. Okay. See print nozzle check pattern is good. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.